I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but I'll just give you a fire alarm updates right now. Wheelock and Simplex updates. My update on Wheelock, the most recent I got, is the Wheelock MT. Wheelock MT 12 LSVFR. And I know I'm doing the negative color thing again. And if you ask why, it's because I want to. Yeah, so I got this right here. Set on low volume march time. And switch 1, 2, and 3 are down. Switch down. But 4 is switched up, which means it's low volume march time. So I'm also gonna get another Wheelock product pretty soon. As you can see, it's 15 Candela. See it? Yeah. And I have another Wheelock device coming soon. It is the Wheelock 7002T, and I know I already have one of those, but my 7002T is broken now, and I can't use it. It is now known as inoperable. So I'm gonna get another one pretty soon. And on Simplex, the 4002, I'm getting it fixed, and I'm gonna test the 4002 with my MT. I'm gonna test it, see if the 4002 is working alright. And I think it is working really great. I'm just replacing some fuses on the 4002. And one of the technicians I know, I'm thinking of him coming up and checking the 4002 out, see if it's working. If not, he'll fix it. He'll make it work, and I'll ship it off to Excavator 114, and I might get a Simplex 4005 for the 4002, because I get the 4005. If I get the 4005, I'll put it in my room and use it in the fire alarm system for my house. There'll be conduit and stuff coming out from the walls, and I'll have it like wires running around the attic, and having some alarms downstairs and a couple upstairs. Might have a smoke detector put in the kitchen. Yep, which is right there. That's the kitchen. And if anyone can sell me a Simplex smoke detector or trade, please comment on the bottom of this video. Yeah, down there. Please leave a comment saying about what items would you trade. Like either like some Wheelocks or Gentex items. Note, I have plenty of 9845s and 9838s left. Some of my 9838s are wearing down, so I'm gonna probably buy some more 9838s, newer ones. And I got about a couple more Gentex items, Commander 2s. I haven't been using the Commander 2 very much, but I'm gonna. But please comment if you want a Simplex or a Gentex item. So, just wanted to give you an update, and sorry I haven't made the video in a long time, since like a month ago. And thank you for watching. I'll make another video soon.